Hi, my name is Adam Fahey, and I'm here today to show you how to log in and use the GP web client. I work for GCFA UMC Support as a GP administrator, support specialist, and consultant. First thing we have to do is log in using our Active Directory account information. Same way you logged into VPN or logged into RDWeb or RDP, same type of credentials. And that gets us past the first part so we can get to the GP login window. So now I'm signing in a GP, and I'm going to go into a test company here. And that's how you would log into GP any other way as well. The main thing here is that this is a secure website. And so using that secure website, you can log into GP from anywhere that you have an internet access and able to get good internet performance. So if you're working remotely, you can work through the web client, whether you're at the office, at home, at Starbucks, or on the road with a hotspot. The best thing to do is to open up, with this version, we can open up the web client in any other browser. And then we have the area pages where normally we would see a navigation pane down here. And in the area pages, I can minimize it so I can just see the page that I'm on. I can maximize it so I can go into financial. And you can see there that it brings up the same financial details that I would see on the desktop client. I want to go back. Oh, excuse me. Before I get out of here, I also want to show you that we have maximize and expand and collapse content of these windows, scrolling bars in the windows. And we can bring our panes back in. So we can scroll through these as well as move them around. One caveat is that you can only have one window open at a time. And in the desktop client, even though they're all independent, you can still open multiple windows at once. Whereas here, we can only open one window at a time. We can maximize it. And we can also enter batches and entries just as we would within the desktop client. It may look a little smaller, but it's not too bad. You can also go in and you can print directly from here. It leverages the resources on your local machine. So whatever printers are connected to your computer, you'll have access to those from the web client. Microsoft Office, which is Word and Excel and such, you can also export stuff into those as you normally would from the desktop client. Just to kind of give you an example of how the printer works, I just click print as I normally would. You see how it defaults as template. Well, I'm going to change it to standard for this case because I'm not using templates for everything. And then it comes into the screen output. And when I click the print button, it's coming up in the Chrome printer selection. And you'll see the printers that I have access to. And I can print to those printers. And then I can go back to area pages. I can go to sales, same concept here. Get the area pages, and then you have the windows with your transactions, reports, utilities, routine, inquiry, as well as the navigation list over here. I also have access to Smart List, which I can select up here. Over here, I can change companies, and I can still export to Excel from Smart List. And then over here, I can get to Smart List from there. I can change companies from there. I can change users from there. So it's pretty basic. It's The main thing I still wanted to stress is that it's just the ability, if you need to access GP anytime, anywhere, you can use the web client, and you can work within the web client without using functionality of the desktop client. And that's pretty much all I just wanted to show today, was that it's here, it's available. And we also have McCormick Maker, which is check printing software. You have access to administration. So you can get at PSTL, you can get anywhere you need to work within GP from the web client that you can get from the full desk client. Thank you for your time today. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you.